Hello friends, today we will discuss about the how you will be generate the revenue from the onlines, working on the onlines, what you should do and how to implementation in your life so you will be easily earn up to $1,000 per one month. Easily you can work on per day 1 to 2 hours in a entire month. You will be earning $1,000 per month. So without your wasting time, we will describe the how you will be generate the revenue from the online working on the platforms. So we go to the we describe what you should do and what you will be earn from them. First of all, we go to the amazons and we click the any amazon.coms, and you see so many products are available in these the amazon's markets, and all are we all the knows today's the we today's the most e-commerce website is amazon's. So amazon's, which was is the biggest e-commerce sites you see in this the world. So what happened where you if you are the searching in this the different thing, and you will be look after the books. What is the books? You will be book so many types of the books like friction, non-friction, comedies, like the suspensions, children's book, kids, all types of the books are different types of the books are available in the amazons. And you will be easily search out, and you will be so how to use this type of the book. You will be selling and generating revenue like that way. So we go to the first of all we search about the books, and we go to the any types of the books in the search engine. You see will post the compositions notebook in the amazons. You will be see so many types of the result are will be so, and you will be easily this type of the book creating using the online softwares, which was is the very easy to create this type of the books, and you will be easily generating revenue $1,000 per month. So first of all we describes about first platform, which was is the amazon kdp. Amazon kdp, which was is the service they will be give to you. Amazon kdp, which was is the they will be service to you. They will be creating one platform where you will be upload your the content, your book, your covers book, and you will be easily sell on amazon.com, because they all are the whatever the printing cost and all the things which was required, they will be cost to whatever they will be required. They will be provide the infrastructure of the whatever you they will be required. These amazon will be provide to you. So you only for creating content of the books, like covers, interiors of the books, and all titles, interiors of the books. And you see so many people are working on these ideas, and generate revenue from the $10,000 per month. Easily you will be get it uh, in this type of the stage. So you will be working on this type of the ideas, and you will be definitely generating revenue from this type of the niche. So we go to the second platform, which was is the Etsy was a amazing platform. This platform is also like a e-commerce of sites like amazon's. But you see this web platform, which was is the like a creative, like a graphic, and all type of the things very popular in particular these websites. So you see so many people are working on this platform, and they will be already generating revenue from easily doing working on the half 1 hour to 2 hours in these platforms. So what you should do for this thing? So you will be go to this it's a platform. You see so many types of the digital product are available in this the platform, and you will be definitely creating this digital products, and you will be generating revenue related this the digital products. So you see so many types of the digital product are available in this it's a platform, and you will be definitely easy to generate this type of the product and submit to this it's a platform, and you will be definitely earning money from them. So my humble request to you, start the looking out of this type of the platform, and you will be start the side hustle, and you will be definitely, if you are the working in consistently with the 6 month, you definitely positive result you will be getting some short time of this the 6 months spans. So you, my humble request to you, please just start the working on this type of the skills. You definitely earn so much amount of the money from this type of the skills. So third one, we go to the teacher pay teacher. There will be so many types of the content uploading for the teachers, like primary to 12th standard of this platform is the particular for the research resource of for the students and teachers, because this platform is the providing different type of the worksheet activity for students, like clip art and so many types of this type of the so many types of the clip arts and activity. And unbelievable, if you searching this platform, you will be looking this platform, you definitely get so many types of the ideas in your minds, generating ideas in your minds, how to you will be type of the thoughts, type of the product we will creating and upload these platforms. You will be definitely, if you are the working on this type of the platform, you definitely earn some money from them, and you definitely get it benefit from them. So without your wasting time, you will be definitely, you will be start this type of the content creation, you will be uploading this platform, you definitely get it so much amount of the money from them. So without we go to the fourth site, where Redbubble is also, this platform which was is the designing platform. If you are the creating some designs, these designs which was is the put in like a mug, pillows, like other ones, bags, bottles, box, all the things they will be provide the service. If your product which was is the sell, they will be provide all the things which was is the printing supply and all the things, they will be in your house, which was is the wherever you, whatever your product which was is the selected, particularly in these designs and all the things which was, they will be creating and generating revenue from this. So if you are working on this type of the sites, you will be create, first of all you will be create the content, and then you will be uploading this website and sell your product. You will be easily get it some benefits from these websites, up to 20%, whatever your product cost, you will be earn up to 20%. So this platform is the very trending nowadays. Print on demand business is very useful. You definitely try it, and you will be easily generate revenue from these websites. So please try this type of the things in your mind. This is the this all type of the all the type of your this ideas which was not required so much amount of the money, is this ideas which was is the starting with minimum, without your so much without investment, zero investment, all the things, you will be definitely, you will be start. So you will be also check out this website, and if you are the really interested to the generating revenue, and you will be live your life with of free boss, so you definitely get it some ideas from them, and you will be definitely generate revenue from them. So we go to the fifth website, which was is the Invento Market, where we source is your whatever your content you have the publish. You will be, if you are the web and theme development, code, video, audio, graphic, photo, 3D file, whatever you have skills, you definitely go creating and uploading this website, you definitely generating revenue from these websites. You will be easily get it some benefit from this website. If your product which was is the sale, you getting some benefit from this website. So you check out these websites and see how which type of the product people will be put in this website and sell. So your minds which was is the looking this type of the possibility, your mind which also work on this direction, and you will be getting some benefit, and you will be earn money from this type of the websites. So I humble request to please visit these five websites, and you will be start working on this website. You will definitely get it some benefit from you, and you will be easy to earn $1,000 per month. And then after once you will be reaches the $1,000 per month, you after you will be put some extra effort, and you will be definitely reach out some next stage. So please like, share and subscribe these channels. I will be also I will be uploading daily basis of the how to you will be earn money from online and what you should do, and how to generate the product, what you will be do, and what is the requirement of this particular any products creations, rules, regulations, all the things I will be uploading in this website. Please check out this website, like, share and subscribe in this website. Thank you for visiting.